Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, Oregon Zan. Today is part 2 in turning our house into a gingerbread house for Christmas. In part 1, we made the candy cane columns and then the candy awnings. So now in this video, I want to get all the other decorations made, and I'm going to start with these really cute suckers. So what I did is I went to Dollar Tree and I got these plastic bowls, and I also had some cellophane, and I got some little twinkle lights, and I rolled them all up and put them inside the bowls, one on top of the other, and then I just hot glued them together. I did leave the cord hanging out with the battery pack so that I could change the batteries. And then I just took that battery pack and I taped it to the side of the sucker. I put the battery pack in a little Ziploc baggie because, you know, we have so much rain and I wanted to keep it protected.
Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can't last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. What's under the Christmas tree for you and me.
So I really like the shape and the color of these purple bowls, and I had some purple cellophane, and so I thought I'd make a sucker using this as well, and I loved how it turned out.
Kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bad toys that cuddle and poo. Dinosaurs pose and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is.
And I did get the lights that have the timer on them, so they will go on automatically and stay on for 6 hours. I had to attach the sticks this way because we had to use so much hot glue for it to stick, and yeah, I couldn't think of any other way to brace it, but it worked great. I found these cellophane wrappers at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use them to put over the suckers. So Jim hammered some wooden dowels into the ground, and then I was able to just slip the PVC pipe right over those dowels. So now we're going to work on our gingerbread couple. So I'm just going to do my best to try and freehand a gingerbread man. I ended up drawing it out where one of the hands were up, like it was waving, and the other one is down. And then Jim used that guide on his foam board, and then he just cut it out with his saw. The color I ended up using for this is called Cinnamon Spice, and it's by Glidden. I bought some red rope and some white rope from Home Depot. I really like the way it looks outlined with the white rope.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when
I liked the little blue buttons that I gave him, but I decided that he needed a little extra something. So I had some candy stickers, and I thought I'd put that on his buttons, and I think it turned out a lot cuter that way.
outside, we gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than
And there they are. I think they came out so cute.
Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
got some ice buckets from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint them. First I'm going to paint them with the white chalk paint, and then I'm going to paint each bucket a different color so that they look like gumdrops.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much.
So the last thing we're going to do is make a Christmas card, a large Christmas card, and Jim's cutting it out with the foam board, and then we will paint it white and then decorate it.
This is white.
Okay,
You want it white?
I want it white.
Okay.
So I got a Christmas gift bag that was looked like a gingerbread house, and I just kind of cut the back off, the front and the back off, because it was two-sided, and I used that to decorate the Christmas card.
It's an early December morning, no one but we.
And here it is, all finished in the evening.
Out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the door, we got by. Falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you.
I hope you enjoyed this part 2 of our fun Christmas project. And if for some reason you haven't seen part 1, I will link it in the description. But I hope you enjoyed watching. We had so much fun creating this gingerbread house, and you know, I think every year we're going to add to it. So looking forward to next year and seeing what we come up with. I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And until next time, bye for now, friends.